What's your name?
My name is Nagendra Prasad. You can call me NP.
Okay. And what did you have in your office today? What was the event about?
Yeah, we had a CSR activity, a speed mentoring program for the students and underprivileged students from different colleges.
Okay. How many students have participated in the program?
Approximately 100 students were supposed to participate, but 88 students showed up.
Okay, awesome. The speed mentoring program, how many sessions were there? Was it only the resume building or anything else was there?
So the whole session was divided into two. One is resume building, and then there were students were taken separately by panelists for mock interviews.
Okay. Who were the panel for the students?
It was the talent acquisition team, and we had few employees also. For each interview round, we had close to 3 employees as the panelists. Yes.
How? What do you think the students have taken back with them?
The students have taken so much from this session. It was very valuable session for them. They did tips and tricks, they did resume building, they had mentoring sessions, they built their confidence, and so much to take away.
Thank you. And next, so how did you find the students are, and what are your connection with them?
I think all were different. Like it's not one fits for all. Few students were really like admirable and shy and all those, and few were really chund, if I say in Hindi. But I think we all made some connection with few or others. But it was a nice memory for both of ours and mine.
Okay, Firdaus, your question is, how many PepsiCo employees have volunteered for this session?
So they were supposed to be 100 volunteers, but we have a mix of mock interviews and resume buildings. I think we had close to more than 70 volunteers who have participated with us today. So yeah, I'm very happy with the program today. The flow went really good. And great job, core team. Thank you so much. Yeah, two more questions to us.
Okay, he is our Hari sir. He has connected with so many of the students, and everyone was like emotionally connected with him. What are the emotional stories you have heard, sir?
One. I was so emotional that I can't speak.
Oh shit! Shit, please. So,
But it
thank
went
you.
great. All the students went fabulous, and they don't want to leave office only. But they were forcing us to get into bus. They want to
Yeah,
take
they
us
even
sections.
wanted to take him along with them.
Yeah.
Hari sir, thank you so much.
He actually served so much sambar to them today, and they're really happy about
Hey,
the food.
cauliflower curry also.
Yeah, like this, like this, like this, like this.
Okay. Now the last question is to you. How do you suggest this program to other employees in the office?
So whatever we have done today, we'll have to share a success story. Yama post, each one of us needs to post what we have contributed, what we have shared with them, and what are the emotions they have shared with us, so that we can build much more programs like this in PepsiCo. And thank you each and every volunteer for participating, and well done guys.
Okay, and then here is the Sidhu, and this guy has been coordinating.
He is the guru of the program.
Yeah, he's
the
doing a lot.
logistic guru.
Please.
Logistic
Yeah.
guru.
So over to you. How do you talk? What do you have to say about this experience?
How do you talk in English?
It's a new experience.
And how did you like it? What is your takeaway from this? More than what the students have taken from this?
I would say like I used to do. I'm not used to do these kind of things. I'm basically a designer, so coordinating is very difficult. Today it went very, very well. Thanks to you, all of you guys. Yes.
This itself talks about how this gives so many new experience to everybody who has not had this experience before. So we have done an amazing job, guys. Kudos to all of us.
Thanks to our cameraman. He is the cameraman.
Pleasure.
Please, how did you enjoy the show?
I really enjoyed it a lot, and it's always good to serve others rather than serving ourselves every day. It's good to give time to others as well. This is an opportunity, and I'm grateful for this opportunity.
Thank you so much. Kanan is busy. Where are you, Kanan? Kanan? Yeah.
Surya.
Suryanna, the Surya sir. Please share your.
It's really great to see people coming, learning a lot, going back. If some of them gets very good opportunities and they create opportunities to their own families, it will be great. We're very happy to be part of this. Thank you all.
Thank you.